Hello, a few people are having a few issues with this week's task regarding standard form. Basically, what this is it's a fast way of writing very big or very small numbers. And what we have, if we consider the number 3 million, that's 3 followed by 6 zeros. But what we'd actually have to do is, if you look at the number, what happens is it's a 3 followed by 6 zeros and then a decimal point, although we don't normally write that. So what we have to do in order to get to standard form is we have to change it into a format which looks like a number between 1 and 10 times 10 to the power of the number of times you move the decimal point. Now, if you think about every time you move a decimal point, either to the right or to the left, you're either multiplying or dividing by 10. So 3 million is 3 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. So 6 times. So what happens is we've actually moved the decimal point 6 places. So that becomes a 3 followed by 10 times 10 to the power of 6 places. Similarly, if we think about 4,750 million, and again another very big number, so that's a 4 followed by a 7 followed by a 5 and then a series of zeros. Now there are actually, to go from here up to here, I have to move the decimal point 9 spaces over to the left. So what basically happens is that becomes 4.75, my number between 1 and 10, times 10 to the power of the 9 spaces that I moved. Going the other way, sometimes we can be asked to start with a number which is written in standard form and then to write that number out in full. So 2.95 times 10 to the power of 7 is a 2, followed by a 9, followed by a 5. And there would be a total of 7 digits after the 2. Okay, so the first 2 are taken up by 9 and then 5. So if I take 2 off of that, that means I then have 5 numbers after it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 29,500,000. Equally, if I have 2.7 times 10 to the power of 12, the first of those numbers after the 2 is going to be taken up by the number 7, which is the one that follows after the decimal point. And then there will be one less than that, 11 zeros after that. So that's a 2 followed by a 7 followed by 11 zeros. Hopefully you find that a little bit helpful, at least getting you off the ground, and contact me if you have any problems. Thank you.